Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short step-by-step tutorial, we're going to show you exactly how you can add hyperlinks to your slides and presentations on Google Slides really quickly. So drop a like, and now let us dive into this. So let's go, for example, with that slide here of that presentation I created for the sake of this tutorial. And I would like to add a hyperlink, let's say, to that text here. So simply highlight the part of the text you would like to add the hyperlink to, which in this case would be this one here, just one with that exclamation mark. And what you want to do after that is right click on the selected text and select link from the drop-down menu. Alternately, use the shortcut Ctrl K on your keyboard or Command K, if you're using a Mac product. So let me do that really quickly. After that, you will see that window here. So what you want to do, guys, is simply enter the URL of or paste the URL or link you would like to hyperlink here. So let me go, for example, with, I don't know, google.com. Just for the sake of this tutorial, highlight the URL, copy it, head back to your presentation, paste it here, and just like that, you will see the copied URL here. So simply confirm by clicking on apply here. And there you go. As you can see now, the hyperlink has been added. So whenever you click or someone clicks on that hyperlinked text here, he or she will be redirected to destination page automatically. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.